Hi, this is Rajshekhar. Now we shall discuss regarding prepositions. As you know, preposition is a part of parts of speeches, and it is the trickiest one. In fact, no one get a mastery over the prepositions. We get only familiarity with the prepositions. What is meant by preposition? Preposition connect different words or elements in a sentence. Different words and elements in a sentence. It may be noun with another noun, or else noun phrase with a adjective, or noun phrase with a verb, or else verb with adjective, verb with a noun phrase. Means it connects a word which connect the different words in a sentence is called preposition. These prepositions are three kinds. These prepositions are three kinds, that is simple preposition, complex preposition, compound preposition. Like a sentence, we are going to find a simple preposition, complex preposition, compound preposition. What is meant by simple preposition? Whenever you come across only one syllabic unit, that is called a simple preposition. What is meant by syllabic unit? Syllabic unit means whenever we are giving a breathing gap between one phonemic unit to another phonemic unit is called syllable. While we are pronouncing, if we give a breathing gap between one phonemic unit to another phonemic unit is called a syllable. Generally, each syllable consists of a vowel sound. Whenever you come across a vowel sound, you are giving a breathing gap. Means that can be divided into syllabic division. So here, whenever you come across only one syllabic unit is called a simple preposition. For example, on, at, by, from, these are called simple prepositions. On, at, by, from, o, on, at. Only one vowel sound you are going to find in these prepositions. They are called simple preposition. Here you are going to find only one syllable. Whenever you are going to find a two syllabic units, two syllables in a preposition is called a complex preposition. Between, b, e, t, o, e, n, a, e, two vowel sounds are there. It consists of two syllabic units. So it is called a complex preposition. Beside, among, a, m, o, two, among, above, until. These are called complex prepositions. Whenever you come across two syllables in a preposition is called a complex preposition. Compound preposition means two prepositions are connected with the help of one root word. Two prepositions can be connected with the help of one word is called compound preposition. Two prepositions should be connected with another word is called compound preposition. For example, in spite of, Here in, of, these two prepositions are connected with the help of spite, in spite of, with reference to, with reference to, with to. These two prepositions connected with the help of reference. With reference to is a compound preposition. In accordance with, in accordance with. These are called compound prepositions. In this way, prepositions are three kinds: simple preposition, complex preposition, compound preposition. These are simple, complex, compound prepositions can be classified into three types. These are, different types. These are three simple, complex, compound sentence may be functioned in different ways, in different types. The prepositions may be preposition of time, preposition of place and direction, phrasal prepositions, possessive preposition, miscellaneous prepositions. In that way, we can divide according to the function of preposition. And here, preposition of time, they indicate only time factor: at, on, by, for, before, until. See, I come at 8 o'clock. I come on time. I come by 8 o'clock. And I come before 9 o'clock. I wait until you come. See here, these indicate the time factor. So, preposition of time. Here, sometimes the prepositions may indicate the place and direction also. In, on, by, to, from, beside. See, I am in the classroom. He sat on the chair. He stood by the window. I am going to market. I came from market. I stood beside the bike. So they indicate the place or direction here. Some are the phrasal prepositions. Here, phrasal prepositions are nothing but compound prepositions. Due to, according to, in spite of, on behalf of, with reference to. These are called, these phrasal prepositions generally may be complex or compound prepositions. Possessive preposition is only of. Of can be labeled as a possessive preposition. Possessive preposition means, say, the climate of Ooty of pleasant. The climate of Ooty of pleasant. See here, of is a possessive. Give the meaning of possessive. Miscellaneous prepositions with, until, besides, among, above, around. These are called miscellaneous prepositions. See here, in this way you can divide the types of prepositions in this way. And these are the types and kinds of the prepositions you have seen. In the next video, we shall see the pair of prepositions and words followed by prepositions, and this is the preposition 1 session. And if you like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Thanks for your watching.